When supplies arrive at the George Cross Island of Malta, the quayside bursts into activity. Speed of unloading is essential to avoid the attentions of raiding enemy aircraft. The schedule set is a fairly big one. All the services and civilians cooperate in beating the bombers. Obviously, it isn't wise to keep quantities of stores in one place. So, immediately after the ships are unloaded, the food and military supplies are dispersed to dumps throughout the island. Thus, there is a reasonable chance that stocks remain intact until such a time as they are needed by the civil population or the military forces. And now we're privileged to see Malta's first wartime investiture, the first official public function attended by His Excellency the Governor of Malta, Lord Gort, VC. 50 awards were made to men of all three services, the Malta Police and ARP men. The accumulation of such deeds of bravery as those for which these men are being decorated, together with the admirable behavior of the civilians, no doubt inspired His Majesty to honor the island itself with the George Cross. A march past of the 50 newly decorated heroes concludes an historic ceremony.